Hello everyone, I am Rushi Chambyal, student of Kanya Mahavidyalaya. Under the DBT Star College scheme, I am here to present the stunning choreography of the series of pendulum. Now, what is a pendulum? A pendulum is a rigid body that is suspended from a fixed point so that it can move to and fro motion under the influence of gravity. Here we have 10 pendulums. All the pendulums are of same length. Have a look to the oscillations. The time period of oscillation is same for all the pendulums. Now to change the length of pendulum, add some height here. Now I am giving vibrations to these pendulums collectively. These uncoupled simple pendulums of monotonically increasing lengths dance together to form standing waves.
The length of pendulum are designed so that all of them complete a different whole number of swings every 30 seconds. The longest swing 25 times in 30 seconds and shorter pendulum completes 33 swings in same interval.